Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you the project setup needed for a Kafka application. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. First of all, we need a Spring Boot project with the following: web and Kafka dependencies in the pom.xml, producer, consumer, and controller classes, and a properties file. Next, once the project is created, we need to run the commands as shown from the Kafka folder, that is, to start the ZooKeeper and Kafka server. Last, to test the REST API, open Postman tool and hit the API. If you don't have the Postman tool, you can also hit the API using any browser. So, we have seen the summary of prerequisites needed for a Kafka application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.